Hello everyone, welcome to Self Makeup Mastery channel, and here it's a Friday and you're going to learn an amazing eye makeup look. This is a complete tutorial on the eye makeup alone, how to create this gorgeous bronze and plum combination eyeshadow. This looks amazing for events like wedding as well as any kind of outing as well. So let us break down step by step and learn how to achieve this beautiful look. Here I've given only the eye makeup and I've shown the lip combo that I have used in this tutorial. This is going to be your beauty classroom. So go ahead and make a lot of notes and do try this look along with me. Let's begin. Let's get on with the eye makeup. I have already done my base here. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of foundation right here on a flat brush, just moving it like this, taking the product and spreading across. So this gives me a very clear base for whatever the product that I use. See, I've already done a base. When I was doing a foundation, I've already applied a little bit of foundation on my eyelid. All I'm doing is going for a very thin layer once again. Now I'm using Mars Back to Basis palette. In this, I'm going one by one. I'm taking this shade right here and just going for the inner corner. Only 1/3 of it. You can go on the inner corners and then spread out a little bit on the lower lash line. Now here I'm taking a fluffy brush. So not to worry, all the brush numbers and everything will be linked. I'll give you the link in the description. You can check that out. Now here with a fluffy brush, I'm using these two colors. These are matte bases. Now we are creating a crease line. So always hold the brush at the end and very smoothly give a transition where the crease arch starts. A feathery touch. I'm mixing up both the colors so that it shouldn't look too much brown in it. And all I'm doing is giving a circular motion at the end or the V corner at the end of the eyelid. This adds the depth, and also if there is any excess product, you can just move in there. We're going to take the same flat brush that we had before, and I'm going to take this bronze shade. Now I want the product to literally be on the eyelid. So all I'm doing is pressing the product, you see, or you can say stamp the product in the center of the eyelid. It's important to always have a close-up mirror so that you know where you're going wrong. So this is very important. I want the dark to be little enhanced at the end. Just tapping the product. Just blend a bit in if you think there are any lines. Now I'm taking the fluffy brush, which is removing the excess. But we need to add some color to it, right? That I'm using one of the least used lipstick that I have, which is Plum shade. It's a bit darker on to my skin. I'm using a fluffy brush, taking the lipstick. You can say it's more of a purple, plum, deep plum, all of that. shade, and this is Mars number 8. That's the shade. And where I'm going is in between the brown and the copper that I've mixed here on the outer end. So I wanted to keep it more plum shade. Now blend the copper a bit so that you don't see any harsh line. Now let me go with the kajal. I'm using Rene, going 2 to 3 coats. And I'm also doing the tight line. I don't want to use the kajal, so let me go with the liner. And here I'm using Mars liner. Wing or no wing is optional, your choice. If you're going for a traditional event, go for a wing. If not, just end it exactly where your eye line ends. I want as close as possible. Just make sure both the eyes are equal. Now let us complete this look with mascara, eyebrow and lipstick. I'm going to keep it super easy and super quick. Now one more easiest thing that you can do for your eyebrow, and if you're running late, all you do is just comb it with the mascara. The reason is, all you're doing is, one, it sets, and the other, it removes if there is any foundation or the compact powder or anything. So it is very easy and quick. Just use mascara for your eyebrow. Now for your lipstick, let me go with the same plum shade, but here is a trick. I'm not gonna use like a swiping motion. I'm just going to use a dabbing motion, so it will help me to get this very less minimal product, and that looks very natural as well. Once you apply the lipstick, then you can go for liner. Just mix it up with a lip pencil. Again, this is from Mars and the shade is Steamy Pink, which is very nice. And you can use that to mix with the plum shade and gives you a beautiful mauve lip color. Okay, I think we can skip the lashes in this and keep it like as you generally go for any such events where you do not need lashes. Great, so here is what we have, this amazing eye makeup look. I'm just in love with this shade. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, made a lot of notes. I am hoping that you're going to try this look and let me know. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel and learn a lot more makeup looks. See you on another Friday with a different tutorial. Bye bye.